I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were down on Tuesday after a successful auction of $40 billion in U.S. 3-year Treasury notes. However, there are another $34 billion in IOUs slated for sale on Wednesday and Thursday, which has many fixed-income traders behaving in cautious fashion. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75% with 1 7/8 points, down a quarter of a point from Monday for a savings of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate is at half of 1 point, also down a quarter of 1 point from a day earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was down as well, with the 4.25% rate now at 1 point, down 1/8 of a point from Monday. The 4 3/8% rate is at 3/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. Weekly retail sales rose a sharp 2.9% in the most recent survey period after having fallen 0.8% in the previous week. On Wednesday, we will see an update on weekly crude oil inventories, which are expected to have risen another 2 million barrels on top of the 4 million barrel increase of a week earlier. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Wednesday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.